Special Machining at Meusburger. For almost 60 years, we have been manufacturing in the areas of mold making, die making, and jigs and fixtures, not just for our customers, but with our customers. We bring expertise to every step of the process chain. Our specialists check the feasibility and potential savings of each individual plate, starting with the quotation phase so that you get the best out of your designs. In the planning phase, we work out the most efficient and fastest production process for each machining operation. At Meusburger, we work with integrated CAD/CAM systems and can process all common data formats. That way, we guarantee consistent quality at all times. Whether complete projects or only partial machining, we manufacture all plates on state-of-the-art equipment specifically according to your requirements and requests. Cleaning, deburring, and checking for completeness and appearance go without saying. Upon request, the plates are also measured precisely to ensure smooth assembly later on. We are just as careful packaging the plates for dispatch as we are with their production, so they are guaranteed to arrive at your door in mint condition on the pre-arranged dates. You imagine it, we make it happen. Just like for thousands of other satisfied Meusburger customers.